I hear you, Tommy, I hear you. But I bet it's almost dinner time. I know. Oh man, I'm so hungry. I could eat. Oh, well, what could I eat? Maybe some spaghetti. Would you like some spaghetti, Tommy? You would? Well, I wouldn't. I don't want spaghetti no more. I don't know what I want.
Hello, Hector. I was just about to put the dinner on. Have you any ideas on what you would like?
I don't know.
Hey, no need to get grumpy now.
I'm sorry, Sampson. I just don't know what I would like, but I'm so hungry.
Yes, I can hear that. Well, we'll come up with something. How about some haddock?
What's that?
Fish.
Blah! I don't like fish. Food should only swim in my tummy, not in the ocean.
I love a bit of seafood. Well, how about some pizza? It's the weekend after all, and you've been very good this week.
Yeah, pizza. I love pizza because there's so many things you can get. There's so many things to get. What do we get?
No need to get yourself all flustered now. You have lots of choices. Maybe some pepperoni, chicken, peppers, pineapple?
That's the issue. I don't want lots and lots of choices, Sampson. Okay, I want chicken.
Chicken pizza?
No, chicken with vegetables and potatoes and stuff.
Alrighty. Just the chicken breast then, or would you eat the thigh too? I'm only joking you. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Do all your favourite vegetables. Got you some carrots, broccoli, cauliflower,
green beans?
Yes, but what potatoes would you like?
Potatoes. I just want potatoes.
I know, but do you want mashed potatoes, roast potatoes? I could do some baby boiled potatoes and garlic butter. Now that would be lovely. Or how about we just have a baked potato? Nice and simple. Well, I suppose then you would have to choose if you want cheese, butter. I actually prefer coleslaw on mine myself, red coleslaw, actually, if I'm honest.
Pasta. I just want pasta. Let's go make pasta.
Okay. Do you want bolognese or will we try carbonara? We could use the rest of the fusilli pasta, or we could open up the rigatoni.